Olate was very happy with the results of the last sponsored video and how y'all responded to it, so they reached out to me again about sponsoring a video with a special edition of their O-Pen 3 and O-Clip Pro S for Memorial Day. The O-Pen 3 is a premium, multifunctional bolt action pen that integrates 4 essential lighting functions into a refined aluminum body, including a white tip light, a green laser in the cap, and a separate multi-brightness red and white LED chip in the pocket clip. The O-Clip Pro S is a compact EDC light featuring 5 distinct light sources, incorporating a white, an RGB, and a UV LED into an aluminum body that's just 2.71 cubic inches and weighs just 1.87 ounces. Check out the special editions of the O-Pen 3 and the O-Clip Pro S on Amazon and help support my channel by using my link down in the description or scanning the QR codes on screen. Thanks again to Olate for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back to it. I'm thinking I'm gonna put him on my port side. He said we were going to Hotel 20, but there's already a boat in that slip. So I don't know if he's mistaken or if the marina has a boat in the slip that we're supposed to be going in. But if it is, it's gonna be a starboard side to stern in, and so I would prefer to put them on this side, on my port side, doing a reverse hit, because when I'm making that turn into the slip, I can see the near piling where the dock is, knowing that we've got plenty of room between the dock and that far piling. So now we just wait.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Hey, Cap, are you still on 7-1?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I got you going to H9, that's Hotel 9.
Roger that, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Finally ready to start this.
Marina Jack, this is island time. Marina Jack, this is days off, over. Vessel Helen, Marina Jack, how can we assist? Say again, please? How can we assist you, Captain? This is Marina Jack. Yeah, Marina Jack, this is our Botus Beach House. Patrick lined us up with a slip for on D-Dock. He lined it up with Savannah. So we're headed that way.
Gonna have some extra cams for you guys today.
There's another vessel coming into your fuel dock that needs assistance.
I've got the one on my chest right now, which is my new camera. It's an Insta360 Go 3S. And once we get underway, yeah, it's gonna be too tight. Once we get underway, I'm gonna put it up on the side right here, and you'll have a nice view of the throttles. Thing's so quiet you can't even hear it running out there.
How's that?
Thank you. Appreciate it.
I appreciate it. You've always been such a pro.
We try.
You do. Well, you succeed. So, you didn't hear anything from the...
So they're going to go to H9. So it's going to be, you know where the H dock makes its turn?
Yeah.
We're going to be on the back side, on this side of that.
Yeah, I used to be able to like...
So it's going to be a port side stern in. Are you all set?
I think so. What else we got? Nothing?
We got everything off this side. We got the stern lines. We just got...
Do you want me to take the bow line off first?
we're going to have to walk the boat out because I got to get in kind of towards your midship a little bit more to tie up.
Okay.
So we're going to have to walk the boat about halfway out.
Okay.
Okay.
And the wind's going to be pushing us towards the starboard side.
Right.
I probably can get out and just work it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just don't leave me behind.
Yep.
All right. I'm gonna do for this.
Just 1 second to check and I'll get back to you.
We're just going to pivot off our bow line there. Get us the room we need.
So this is Marina Jack on 7-1.
In time for
This is Sonas.
Have you going to mooring ball number 3, Cap, number 3.
Roger, Marina Jack. We'll tie up at 3 and then we'll come in and see you.
Okay, you want to start walking it up? Readjust from tied off here.
Bob's on the dock.
Yep. Let's see. You want to toss me that blue bow line there? That tied up? Thanks. How we doing over there? Hey, he can go get on.
Okay, honey, go ahead and get on the boat. Get on the boat.
Okay. Alright, you want to take a look, see how we're looking on that yacht?
Yeah, we're coming right up on the corner to you. As long as you don't stretch too much.
Yeah, I can see this side, I just can't see the other side.
We got plenty of room as long as we don't drift over there.
Yep, just let me know if we start drifting.
Yeah, we're drifting down.
Yep. How's that bow looking? Okay. Darn.
We got easily 15 feet.
Okay. Past here. The wind caught us there. What?
Very good. Too close to the big one.
Really an inconvenient place to put that big yacht.
All clear on that side.
Okay. It's a really inconvenient place to put that yacht.
Yeah, really.
They could move to 20 feet back and make that a lot easier.
Have to rest through the 12 hours. Some people think it's the other way around. It's another truth.
I truly understand. The fact is that you're home and that's all that matters. Or you're somewhere and that's all that matters. Where you are is where you're meant to be.
Huh?
Where you are is where you're meant to be.
Absolutely. The time, the place, the aura.
Hey, so we're going right on the other side of the two tiki boats.
Where are you guys going? Down this way?
Right on the other side of the tiki boat. This is why. What was that? Yep.
About 6 feet back here.
Okay. This is why I wanted to be on this side, so I could see that near piling in the dock.
You're inside the piling.
Okay. Coming back.
Yeah.
You feel my pain.
I do.
Scalebound? I see that.
But the only thing we can do is climb it. We can't prove it.
Come on.
This line. Well, other than the little bit of sketchiness by the big yacht at the entrance there, this went pretty smoothly. So thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.